Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to get free RAM. Just download free RAM on anywhere on Google, DuckDuckGo, anywhere, bro. Okay, go over here to download more RAM. Don't forget to turn off your antivirus for this, cause it won't work then. Alright, okay. Download that. Okay, we gotta get the 32 GB. It is really good. It's really good, guys. You can download Minecraft, Pages, dude. Awesome, dude. Can you pay for this stuff? It's pretty legit, bro. Just download this. You can open open tabs in Chrome, bro. Just download that, bro. It's gonna take a while. Just hold that up, bro. Yeah, that's right. Retrieving all the RAM. That's it's almost done, bro. And it's done. Okay, now we just gotta download this. What the